Good morning and welcome back to the homestead. It's been a minute, guys. How's everybody doing? We have been busy getting our homestead ready to sell. It goes on the market tomorrow. We bought our dream homestead, and if as long as our homestead sells, we should be moving in a few months, couple months hopefully. But let's let these chickens out. I had to reroute them actually, so that not everybody wants free range chickens running around for house showings. So good morning, ladies. Good morning, good morning, good morning.